Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this one, we are going to go through how to easily join the TEMU affiliate program. So the first thing you have to do is simply head over to the TEMU website and scroll to the bottom. Then simply go ahead and look for the affiliate program link. So go ahead and click on it once you find it. You will then be provided with an option to sign up. So simply fill in your details including your name, email, and how you plan to promote TEMU. Then once you submit your application, wait for approval. Don't worry, it usually doesn't take long. So after you've been approved, you will then receive a unique affiliate link. You can then share this link on your social media, blog, or website. And the more you share, the more you earn. So TEMU typically offers a commission for every sale made through your link. So make sure to keep track of your earnings through the affiliate dashboard provided. And also, remember to stay updated with any promotional materials and special offers from TEMU to maximize your earnings. So that's all we had for this video. And if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.